How to change Kik username. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your Kik username, and this is how to go about it. The first step is for you to log in into your Kik account, just like I've done here. And then once you are logged in, you are brought to your own page automatically. On this page, you can see different options, right? And the next step is for you to move to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. Once you're your profile icons page, that is your profiles page, you can see your cover photo, your background photo, and your username. So just go ahead to click on your username. Now by clicking on your username, you can see the options displayed there, which is copy and share your username. You cannot see the option share edit your username. This is because on Kik you cannot change your username yourself. Alright, it is once you've updated, once you've added your username, that is the name that you'll be using all through. But then if you still really want to change it, you can reach out to the customer support by scrolling down to the bottom part of this page, which says help and about us. So here you can see terms of service, privacy policy, community standards, help, licenses. So just go ahead to click on the help option. Right, and then you'll be directed to your web browser. Click on the web browser, and also your web browser's page, go ahead to ask your question or to make your consent known, which is that you would like to change your username, and then you'll be attended to. So this is how to go about it. Thank you for watching, and ensure you have a great day.